Hey y'all, what's up? This your girl Sapphire from Verbal Stimulations here with a quickie. So, June is National Men's Health Month. And that's a great thing because men need to take care of their health. They need to be more proactive and less reactive. Meaning, we want you guys to start finding out what's wrong with you at the early stages. So, the reason that they're having this is, I got some notes, so I'm gonna look to the side, is to prevent health problems and encourage early detections, which means if you find something earlier in the process, it's easier to work with for the doctors, easier getting medication and stuff like that. So with June being National Men's Health Month, we want to promote that. So how do they promote National Men's Health Month? By wearing blue. Real simple. So if you guys are up to the challenge, guess what? Pick a day. I'm not going to pick it for you because I don't know your routine and what you have to wear. But pick a day and wear blue in honor of National Men's Health Month. And while you're doing it, make sure that you tell the men in your life, hey, make sure you go get your physical, your yearly physical, annual physical, depending on their age, a prostate cancer check, and a colonoscopy. Yeah. So make sure that you guys are making sure that the men in your life are taking care of themselves. It's funny that they put that in June because it's also Father's Day coming up. I guess the whole month of June is for men. That's cool. They need time too. They need special days. So once again, make sure that you guys are making sure that the men in your life are taking care of themselves, getting physicals and checking themselves out and being healthy and all that stuff because we need them around. Okay? So this your girl Sapphire from, before I forget, have you registered? You know if you register, you're entered into our giveaway for $25 gift card. Real simple, just register. So once again, if you are going to celebrate National Men's Health Month in the month of June, and you decided you're going to wear blue, maybe you and someone at your job or some of your friends, and y'all get together and take a group picture, make sure you post a picture down here. Let us see that you celebrated the month, okay? Wear your blue in honor of June, National Men's Health Month. This your girl Sapphire. Keep your head up and your mind open. Don't forget to register.